Well, I'm definitely not an AC guy, but I can throw a part at one. I pulled the old one off. This is the old one. This is where the latch went across it. And I read that out to the guy at the HVAC parts place, and he said that's what it was. I've disconnected my main breakers in the house, and on my pictures, the pink one went to the fan, the yellow one went to the Herm. So here we go. Yellow to Herm, pink, purple to the fan, red one goes to the remaining one. And wipe some of this stuff that's been here since 1997 out of here and vacuum the bottom out. And this is somewhat smaller, so it's not really fitting in there too well. But we'll Gorilla tape it just to see if it works, and I'll put a spacer in here or a smaller bracket. How about that? I made a bracket that coexists with the previous bracket. It's made out of Gorilla tape. So we're going to see if this replacement works.